Good morning, children. Today we're going to read words with long A sound. Are you ready, children? Let's begin. Children, let's read the words with 8 sound. 8. Please repeat, children. 8. 8. 8. G, 8. G, 8. Gate, gate. L, 8. L, 8. Late, late. D, 8. D, 8. Date, date. R, 8. R, 8. Rate, rate. Let's read the words again. Gate, late, date, rate. Wonderful! Children, let's read the words with ache sound. Ache. Please repeat, children. Ache. Ache. K. Ache. K. Ache. Cake. Cake. B, ache. B, ache. Bake, bake. R, ache. R, ache. Rake, rake. L, ache. L, ache. Lake, lake. Let's read the words again. Cake, bake, rake, lake. Children, let's read the words with ave sound. Ave. Please repeat, children. Ave. Ave. K, ave. K, ave. Cave, cave. W, ave. W, ave. Wave, wave. S, ave. S, ave. Save, save. G, ave. G, ave. Gave, gave. Let's read the words again. Cave, wave, save, gave. Wonderful! Children, let's read the words with ace sound. Ace, ace. Please repeat. Ace, ace, ace. R, ace, R, ace. Race, race. Ace, ace. Face, face. L, ace. L, Ace, lace, lace. Race, face, lace. You're doing good.